It's important for IT practitioners to be able and shed light on the future, with the goal of moving them from just catching issues to preventing them from occurring in the first place. This capability includes anything from capacity planning to forecasting usage patterns and identifying when you may grow beyond warning or critical thresholds. Devo's time series forecasting capabilities allow you to analyze any time series dataset and predict the future value of a metric. To get started, you provide a query that corresponds to the metric you want to forecast. In this example, we're going to monitor a web application's activity by the count of distinct user IDs accessing it. After clicking Load, we can preview the data and easily visualize the number of unique users of the application. Over this multi-month period, we can see that usage is growing, and that there are seasonal impacts from holidays, as well as the fact that data follows a fairly normal weekly usage pattern, higher usage occurring during the week and lower usage on the weekends. We can use this data set coupled with our time series forecasting capabilities to predict how the number of users will grow over time, something that's important for us to make sure our web application server is sized properly to handle the anticipated user growth. In order to predict the future, we need to first select a forecast length, which is the number of periods into the future we want to predict. We're going to predict out 90 days to see what lies ahead. As well as putting in the number of days to predict, there are several advanced parameters that we can also modify. In this example, we have changed a few of them and have also imported the list of holidays that affect our company's access of this application. This will help the prediction model be as accurate as possible. Once we're happy with the parameters, we click Forecast and our model will find the best fit. In the chart below, up through the current day is a dark blue line representing the actual value of the metric, as well as a dashed line that represents the best fit values that the model has found. The light blue band around the dashed line represents the expected range that the metric is predicted to fall within. In most cases, the actual value is close to the predicted value and always falls within the expected range. There are, however, deviations from this. As you can see here, we had an unexpected spike of users. You can also see that since we've specified the relevant holidays, the algorithm has adapted to recognize periods where holiday-based usage is expected. Looking at the forecasted period, the dashed line represents the growth of our metric, and you can see the slightly positive slope, which indicates that the number of users is expected to grow. The expected value bands, shown in light blue, get wider and wider due to the uncertainty of the future. In the near future, we have fairly tight bands, but as we move out further in time, these bands grow as the algorithm gets less and less sure about the number of users who will be accessing the application. Along with analyzing and viewing this data, you can also download the data and analyze it in Excel or another tool of choice. The Devo time series forecasting capability is powerful for IT practitioners and is just one component of the Devo machine learning workbench. Check out Devo.com to learn more about how Devo helps the world's most instrumented enterprises unlock the full value of their machine data to move the business forward. Thanks for watching.